This is lesson 23, segments, lines, rays, and angles for Saxon 4. So what we're going to start with, we're going to start with the line, segments, and rays. So a line, okay, goes forever and ever and always in either direction. It is shown this by having arrows on either side. This is a line. It goes forever and ever in either direction. This is a segment. A segment is a line that has been cut at both pieces. It is a piece of a line. So if you imagine it is a line and we've taken a piece of this line, cut both ends, and taken it out of the line. This is now a segment, a piece of the line. That's why it has the dots on both ends, because they stop, unlike the line that keeps going. A ray has only one side that's been cut or stopped. A ray has one side that continues and one side that's been stopped. So we have a line continues both ways, a segment has been stopped on both sides, and a ray continues on one side and stops on the other. Okay, if I were to take these and I were to do them in certain designs, I can, for example, do something parallel. If you get asked to draw two lines that are parallel, parallel means the same distance apart at every point of the lines. So here, 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 they are the same distance apart. That is referred to as parallel. Now you can be parallel in any way you want to, as long as they are equal distances apart at every point in the lines, segments, or rays. They are parallel. You also have intersecting. When lines intersect, they meet. So for example, these lines are intersecting. They have a point in which they meet. Now, if I was doing a shape and I had, let's say, a triangle, okay? At this triangle, I have intersecting points, okay? Every vertice that I have, or corner, is an intersecting point of two lines. There's this line and there's this line, and they intersect here, just like this line and this line intersect here. Okay, intersecting is when two or more lines meet, or line segments or rays. Perpendicular also meet, but perpendicular meet in a certain way. So perpendicular is when they intersect with a right angle. Okay, so when they intersect with a right angle, it is referred to as perpendicular. So again, this as well, these are two lines intersecting at a perpendicular angle, because the perpendicular is the right angle. Okay, for our angles, we have a right angle, okay, which is usually indicated by a little box in the corner. This is a right angle. You then have a acute angle. Acute is smaller than a right angle. So just for reference, a right angle is 90 degrees. So acute is anything less than 90. Okay? So 90 is greater than, or 90 is greater than whatever the acute is. Okay? So this would be the acute. It would be less than 90. We then also have a obtuse. Okay? Obtuse is bigger than 90. Okay? So this is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so this is greater than 90 degrees. This is less than 90 degrees. Acute, I like to think of them as acute is a cute angle. It is small, therefore it is smaller than 90 degrees because it is cute. Obtuse is obese. So it is bigger than a right angle because it is obese. Okay? Obese. So smaller, bigger, right angle. Okay, and those are your angles. That is segments, line, rays, and angles, lesson 23, Saxon 4.